Okay, so this electric skillet has stopped blinking, which means that it's reached 150 degree. So I'm going to put oil to this now. Okay, now this is the oil I'm going to be using. I'm using 100% rapeseed oil, and it is high in omega-3 oil, in omega-3. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put just about 2 spoons of it. Now if you look at here, I don't know if you can see the reading. It says that the fat has got 7.3 grams that saturates, monounsaturates 57.8, and polyunsaturated 26.6. Now, if you're doing a high frying, the deep frying, you never use this kind of oil. But I'm not doing a deep frying, so it's okay to use that. So I'm just going to put 2 teaspoons, okay, of oil into there just to fry my egg. So that should be fine for me to fry the egg. Okay, so now I've put the oil. So I'm going to use a smart spatula just to spread the oil a little bit. Okay, because I'm going to be frying egg here. So if you see, don't have that much oil in here. Okay. Remember, we're trying to make a healthy, nutritious chicken fried rice. Okay, so this is getting hot, so I'm going to leave it for just 1 more minute, and then I'm going to start frying my egg. Okay, I've left it so that it's got hot now, so I can fill it from the top. So what I'm going to do is just drip a little of the egg to see if my oil is hot enough. Okay, now if you see, it's heating up my egg. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pour the rest of the egg in. So as you can see, my egg is frying, and you see I can put my hand over here. You know, it's got reduced heat, and my whole house is not smoking. There's not a lot of frying noise that you get, you know, when you fry with your normal pan. And as you can see, that's the egg getting done. Okay, so I'm gonna try and move it a bit to let the other eggs spread them out a bit.